name is John Walsh with the Logic Group, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate a 4-board jumbo tracer digitizing system. With 4 boards configured like this, I can easily digitize patterns that are up to 10 by 11 feet in size. So very large patterns in just a couple minutes. One of the problems with CNC industry is trying to get a pattern quickly into the computer. I'm going to show how we can do that with our jumbo tracer. I have a cardboard pattern I'm going to digitize with my pen stylus and the digitizing boards. Come into our jumbo tracer software and I click the button that says digitize, and I'm going to do lines and arcs where I'm going to digitize a bunch of points and have them connected with lines. I come in here and click start. Then I just take the pen stylus and digitize all those lines. So I do a point there, then I come across this point here, do a point here, point there, and I just go along and digitize all the way around the pattern, and it will connect those points with lines. So what I'm going to do is very quickly get this pattern into the computer. Without using a digitizing tablet, it could take several hours to try to get a design into the computer. With our tracing system, you can do that in just a matter of minutes. Again, I'm just going in here doing the points. Now, if I had arcs, I could have done lines and arcs. Again, digitizing points and have them connected with lines and arcs. Other thing I could do is I could just trace along the edge of the pattern, and it will save it as a DXF file. I've got some videos of my 3-board jumbo that show you how to trace along the edge of the pattern. And I'm going to finish up here, there, and there. Got 2 more points that I've gone all the way around. This point here, and then I'm going to do 1 more point. Don't really need to do this, it'll automatically connect it. I'll go ahead and do a point down there. And then I tell our software that I'm all done. It's going to ask me if I want to connect to the first last point. I'm going to say yes. So you can see there I've now got my template into the computer very quickly. I'm going to save this as a DXF file, so click create file. I'm going to call this house 2 and then hit save, and it saves it as a DXF file. So in matter of minutes, I was able to digitize this pattern and save it as a DXF file. If you have any questions about the Jumbo Tracer product, please give me a call. John Walsh with the Logic Group. Thank you.